This album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to...
Treyway, these niggas that heard me, I ain't heard of you. Get the fuck up on my fucking